All right, so I am about to make some organic ice cream. These are the ingredients I'm gonna be using, and you get to just follow along and see how it goes. I started out by chopping up about 1 cup of raw organic walnuts. Then I grabbed my heavy whipping cream and I used 2 cups of that. Next, I used 4 egg yolks. I mixed those egg yolks together really well and added them to the heavy cream. Next, I'm grabbing my 100% pure maple syrup, and I'll be using 4 teaspoons of that. And then I did 2 pinches of sea salt, and here I'm just blending it all together in my little bullet blender. I had to do it twice because it's not big enough to hold all of that. And then I just added it all back into one bowl, including my pecans, got it all stirred together and put it in the freezer. So this has been freezing for about 30 minutes, and whenever I added the walnuts, I thought that they all settled at the bottom, so I just wanted to pull it out and kind of mix through it, check the consistency. Oh my wow, you guys, I tasted it too while I had it open. It is delicious. So I'm popping the lid back on, sticking it back in the freezer for another 3 to 4 hours, and then we're gonna be enjoying this after dinner later on tonight. All right, so I showed you this earlier today in the process of making it all.
I'm so excited.
And I'm about to open it up.
I'm so excited.
It's all nice and solid. So I'm gonna scoop up some for Mike. It's not solid. Okay, well, it's solid in places. Oh goodness.
Is it in the freezer?
Yeah, I think it needs to freeze.
It's in the freezer.
It needs to freeze a little longer.
I'm gonna taste some of this. I'm gonna taste some of this top part though.
That was funny. Okay, it didn't freeze long enough.
That's good.
I gotta keep freezing.
This could be considered a blooper, but you know us. We're gonna be really honest with you. We're gonna show you what's going on.
What you think?
Hold on, let me get another bite. That was good.
Is it really? For real? Oh, I'm so bummed. I thought it was gonna like solidify.
No sugar?
No.
No sugar. And
Maple syrup. Let me have a little taste. That is really good. Okay. Okay, so here's what happened. It's still a little soupy in the middle, but the top is frozen, so it definitely needs to freeze more than like 4 hours. I'm gonna eat that. I think it should freeze overnight, and then it'll be solid. Oh my wow, I'm excited.
Mucho bueno. It's really good. Really good.
Okay. That is really good. I'm pretty impressed with it. All right, so here it is, all nice and frozen now. It scoops up pretty nicely. It's more solidified for sure than it was earlier. Now, I do realize that 100% maple syrup is still considered a sugar, but it is a natural sugar, and it's most certainly a better alternative for us than regular sugar. Yes, there are other sugar substitutes out there that I could use, natural sweeteners such as honey or monk fruit, but I had maple syrup on hand, and so I wanted to give it a shot, and it provided a really great flavor, and it was just a nice treat for us to have tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you try it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment while you're here. Thanks again for watching.